Hi again. This is Mastering Moodle Part 2. In Part 1, we mentioned how to log into our platform, our free platform, which is through our website, opclearning.com. Then go to login. We created a user for you, which is OPC guest, and the password is OPC guest as well. In this part, we are going to discuss how to create quizzes and assignments for teachers. When you just log in, you will see your dashboard and the only course we created for you. So you have to press on the course itself, and you can see that we made in the last part 1, a lecture and a lecture notes as a folder. Today we are going to learn how to make quizzes and assignments. We have to start by turning editing on. When you turn editing on, you can see that you can add activities now. So press on the activity, and in activities, you can see you have an assignment, and you can see that you have a quiz in here. So the activities you can do: assignment, attendance, chat, checklist, glossary, forms, database, lessons, survey, so workshops. So you can do a lot of activities. We will focus on 2 activities: assignment and quizzes. We will start by a quiz. So press on quiz. You have to give the quiz a name, so I will call it quiz 1. And you have to write a description. You have to specify the time. If you do not specify a time, it will be an open quiz. So we better specify start and end time for the quiz, which is the 1st of September at 10, and it will take like 10:30. It will start in the 1st of September and will end in the 1st of September at 11:30, let's say. Now the time limit for the exam is, you can put it like in minutes or in hours, 45 minutes. So the student can log in and start the exam starting from 10:30 to 11:30, and he only can make an exam for 45 minutes within this time range. The grade, so you can do a passing grade, let's say it's out of 10. Allow attempts, you have to change it for 1 if you want him to do 1 attempt, or keep it unlimited, or 2 or 3. It's something you choose. So I will choose 1. Layout, this determines how many questions in a page. So there is 1 question, 2 questions, 3 questions in a page, 4 questions. You can choose how many questions to be loaded in every page. So I will choose like 2 questions in a page. Question behavior, if you want it to be shuffled, so you keep it shuffled. If not, you change it into no. Review points, this is what a student is going to see when through his attempt and when he finished the quiz. So you can keep or remove these, depends on whether you want to show the attempt, show the grade after the attempt, show the feedback, show the right answers. So you can remove or keep the options you want to let your student know about the grade and about the right answers and so on. This is what we really care about in the set up the quiz. When you finish, just save and return to course. Now we created a quiz. I think we are ready now to start loading the questions into the quiz. So this is a quiz. It is an empty quiz. So to add questions, you can simply go to edit quiz in here. In here, the exam maximum grade is 10, so you have to add questions out of 10. So simply press an add button. You have a new question from a question bank or a random question. These two, we will discuss them later on. We are going to add a new question. Now we have to select the type of the question. I will go, let's say for the first time, I will go for true or false. Multiple choice, we can have a multiple choice or a true or false in here. So I will check the true or false. So it's a true or false question. The question names, I will call it Q1, and the text, the question text is the sun is blue. The sun is blue, or is the sun blue? The sun is blue, let's keep it. So now this is the text, and we have to mention whether it is correct or not and give it a grade. So default grade will be 2, and number of ID number, we will leave it blank. And the statement the sun is blue, is it correct? No, it is false. And the default in here is false, so leave it false because it is a false answer. When you finish, you save it. So we just created a true or false question. I will add another question, true or false, and I will give it a name Q2. A child is a human being. So a child is a human being, this is a statement. I will give it 2 as default mark, and the correct answer is true, so I have to change it into true and make save changes.